UVMax. Replacing the UV lamp. The UV lamp must be replaced after 9,000 hours of continuous use. 1 year. Shut off the water line to the chamber and release the system pressure before servicing. Disconnect the main power source to the unit and allow the unit to cool for 10 minutes. Remove the lamp connector by pulling the tabs out and then upwards. Hold the sleeve bolt with one hand and turn the lamp counterclockwise to the left and pull the lamp out of the chamber. Set aside or safely dispose of the old lamp. Contact your municipality or look up your municipality's guidelines on how to safely dispose of the used lamps. Insert the new lamp into the quart sleeve and thread into the sleeve bolt until there is a hard stop. Align connection pins with the lamp connector by rotating the ring clamp. Push the lamp connector down onto the lamp pins and the ring clamp pins until an audible click is heard. Ensure the connector is engaged on both sides. Restore power to the controller. Reset day counter. Power the unit back up and wait for the lamp to start warming. Ensure to select the correct model to avoid errors. Click the mute button, then lamp reset should appear on the screen after a few seconds. Press the lamp reset button to bring up the lamp replacement reset screen. Press and hold the bottom gray button for 5 seconds until you hear an audible beep. The lamp life days will now be reset to 365 days.